Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy and sell Bitcoin from BitBuy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in bitbuy.com and you'll be sent to this homepage. Now be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing these options on the top. Simply click on Express Trade, and once you click on it, you'll be sent to this Express Trade page. Now in order to buy, click on buy. Then here we are selecting Bitcoin, and if there is not Bitcoin, then simply click on this drop down menu and select the Bitcoin option. And here you'll be seeing this available amount, and here either you can use this available amount to buy the whole amount, buy the Bitcoin corresponding to the amount that you have, or simply enter the amount that you want to buy. And once you enter in the amount, click on buy Bitcoin, and the next page will show you something like this. Now all you gotta do is just click on check this information and then click on buy chain link. And once you do that, you'll be seeing your orders or history page, and that's basically how to buy Bitcoin in BitBuy. Now in order to sell it, what you need to do is go back to the Express Trade page, and there instead of buy you have to click on sell and then select the Bitcoin option, and here use the available amount or how much you want to sell the Bitcoin, or enter in the amount and then click on sell Bitcoin. And once you do that, here a transaction summary will be displayed to you. Check the information and then click on sell link, and that's basically how to sell Bitcoin from BitBuy, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.